What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Petting Zoo by Justin Bieber. I'm going to give you the chord progression. I'm going to break down how to play each chord, and I'm going to give you a strumming pattern that you can use for the song. Timestamps are going to be down in the description and pinned comment below, so you can refer to that if you need to. But first, here's an example of what it's going to sound like. As y'all can see, I have a capo on the first fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song. Those 4 chords are B7 sus 4, G sharp minor 7, E major 7, and C sharp minor 7. And now, here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. First chord is B7 sus 4. I know that might scare some of you, but it's actually really simple to play. So we're going to bar the 7th fret, and we're going to put our fingers on the 9th fret of the A string and the G string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is G sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret, and we're putting our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Next chord is E major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Last chord is C sharp minor 7, so we're going to bar the 4th fret again, and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string, and it's going to sound like this. The chord progression is going to go B sus 4, G sharp minor 7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, B sus 4, G sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7. Okay? For the strumming pattern, I'm going to break it down into 2 separate sections. Okay, so the first section is B7 sus 4, G sharp minor 7, E major 7 to C sharp minor 7. The second section will be B7 sus 4 to G sharp minor 7 to C sharp minor 7. Okay, and we're actually plucking the strings instead of actually strumming them, and I'll go over that in a minute. So we're going to take it from the first section. So we're starting at B7 sus 4, and what we're doing is we're going to pluck the A and D string, and then we're going to pluck at the same time the G and the B string, just like that. So now at the G sharp minor 7, we're just going to pluck all 4 middle strings at the same time. And same thing for the E major 7, all 4 strings at the same time, or all 4 strings in the middle, I should say, at the same time. And then we're just going to go to the C sharp minor 7, and actually we're going to strum this one, so just a down strum right here. Okay, so that's the first section. So when you put it together, it's going to go like this. Second section is the last 3 chords, which is B7 sus 4, G sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7. So we're just going to do the same thing for the B7 sus 4 as we did in the first section. So we're going to pluck A, D, and then G and B at the same time. All 4 middle strings for the G sharp minor 7. And this time, all 4 middle strings for the C sharp minor 7. Okay, so again, all together for the second section. So when we put it all together, both sections, it's going to go like this. So that's an example of how you can play the song. I feel like it sounds pretty close to it, but by all means, if you find another way that sounds better to you, go ahead and do that. You are the creator. But that is how you play the song. Alright y'all, as always, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out. But if you do have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment them down below and I'll do my best to answer them when I can. If you did like this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody that wants to learn the song. While you're here, I'd like to invite you to follow my other social media platforms. I have Instagram and TikTok. I'm going to link those down in the pinned comment and description below, so you can follow me there. I actually have tutorials on there that I don't necessarily have here on YouTube. Also, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, if you liked this tutorial and you want more like this. Right now, there's another one popping up on your screen. Go ahead and check that one out as well. And I'll see y'all on the next video.